Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reply WhatsApp message while playing game on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, some message might require immediate attention. Being able to reply swiftly without leaving the game can be quite handy. So, how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, I will open and play game on my device. Okay, and then to reply WhatsApp message, you can swipe this line and then click on this icon. Well, after that, click on WhatsApp application here. And then here you can reply or send a message to someone. And then the way to close it, you can hold this line and then drag it to remove option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to reply WhatsApp message while playing game on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.